2008 GMC Seirra. I'm at the dealership right now. I went and had a key cut, and the keys are not programmed. They're blank, so your truck will actually program the key itself. I wish I would have known that a long time ago, so that's why I'm making this video, because my old key was lost by my son. And let me dig out the key I was using and I'll show you. Dig through my pocket, sorry about that. So this is the old key. You can tell it's wore out. Put it in the ignition and yeah. So I've been dealing with that for a long time. So I finally got this new key cut here at the Chevy dealership, and like I said, it's a blank key. They ran the VIN number and made sure I was the legal owner of the vehicle. Cut the key, and he's put the old key in and finally jiggled it till he got the lights to come on and started. And then as soon as the lights went off, he turned it off and shoved this key in there, and the truck programmed it. Automatically programs the key to match the truck. So here we go. Look at that. $53, and I've been dealing with this for a couple years. Who would have thought?